Assalamu alaikum everybody, thank you so much for tuning into our channel today. We hope you've had a blessed week and a lovely day today, whatever you've been up to. This week we've been super busy decorating bits and bobs of our house. We decided to pop into TK MAXX and Dunelm's and get a few household furnishings. I'm absolutely obsessed with TK MAXX at the moment. They've got so many nice things in there at the moment, especially the Christmas things. We moved into a brand new build house about 5 years ago and haven't had much time to decorate it. Been so busy working and raising the 2 children, we haven't had much time to concentrate on decorating the house, and plus we want to have a nice taste in things that we want to buy. We don't want to buy random things and put it anywhere and not like it later on. So it took a few years to find the style and design that we liked. I genuinely thought TK MAXX was full of just clothes, and I thought it was like a jumble sale shop, so I avoided it at all costs. Lots of people told me it gives you a headache going in there looking for things, but my wife dragged me in there one day and I'm absolutely obsessed with the shop. There's so many nice things in here. Designer things and things at a really good price as well. These shiny gold and silvery objects that you put on your mantelpieces around on a table and silverware. Stunning. A lot of it's made in India and some of it's made in China and some of it's made here in the UK. It's absolutely beautiful. I really like these globes. We bought a few of these crystal based glasses. Very shiny things. I don't know how I'm going to wash these or clean these. We then popped into the range afterwards to have a little mooch about, and we tried to get some silk flowers for the living room. We didn't know what colour to get at the moment. I really like these light blue blush colours, and my wife really liked gold and pink colours. So we went with her choice, of course. Don't want to argue with her. I swear they designed this shop like a maze, so you wouldn't be able to get out or find your way out. You have to wind your way around every single aisle to get to the till. So obviously my eyes are like going left and right, going crazy, thinking I need to buy everything. It does put you into a bit of a buying frenzy, the shop does, because everything is so well priced. You're not going to spend or break the bank here. They've got beautiful duvet covers, pillow covers, cushion covers, you know, colours for every single room as well. Your spot for choice. This is probably the worst aisle in any shop that I go into with my wife. She spends about 4 hours just staring at all the pots and pans. She claims she hasn't got any, but you open the shed and there's about 60 of them in there. They do pretty much everything for your house in here. All kinds of electrical goods, white goods, pots and pans, dishes, cake tins and baking tins, cleaning goods. We really like going in here for the cleaning products in here actually, they're really good. Yes, I'm still in here trying to find my way out, but I keep getting stopped at every single aisle. It's just calling to me, saying buy me, buy me. I can't get out. They also do amazing like centerpieces for weddings and parties. When we got to the mirror section, we were spoilt for choice. There was absolutely so many mirrors here to choose from, but we went for this one in the end, this circular one. It's got a really nice edging as well. Then we wanted to buy a clock, so we were spoilt for choice again. And my wife really liked this large one here. It's black with a gold finish. The weight of this clock is absolutely nothing. It's so light, so it'll be easy to put up, I hope. And also bought this beautiful chrome effect giant lantern. And then we went back to the house to start decorating. These champagne flutes that we bought from TK MAXX are not dishwasher safe. It says on it hand wash only, probably because the crystals and the glitter beads will probably peel off or melt off in the dishwasher with the excessive heat. We decided to polish them up and put them into the display cabinet. And the other 2 items that we bought as well, this little mini glass jar, a cake glass stand, and these little shot glasses. Bought this mirror from the range. It's going to go into the hallway in between the living room and kitchen. And brought this beautiful hanging plant holder. We're deciding on where to put this. was a knock at the door and my Amazon order has arrived. I ordered this fruit platter tree stand from Amazon. It arrived today. It took about 3 to 4 days to arrive. It wasn't on Prime. It was come from somewhere in China, I guess. And it was super simple to assemble. It just all screws onto each other like wheels. These are just some random IKEA plates that we had in the house. Ideally I want some gold plates or some darker colour plates to go in this. And then at evening we were umming and ahhing about where to put this circular mirror that we bought earlier on in the day. And I said let's put it up here just before we get up to the stairs. It brightens up the hallway as well. I had to make sure I used the correct wall hanging fixtures and fittings as we've got plasterboard in the house. I'm super happy with the results. It really changes the look of this area. It makes it feel more homely and more cosy. And it's nice to have a mirror somewhere near the stairs. As you walk down the stairs you can make sure you're looking your best before you leave the house. The next day we were super excited as our package had arrived. This is a console that we're going to put under the TV in the living room. This is from a lovely online shop that we love to buy things from. It's called Casselli and they specialise in mirrored furniture. Be sure to check all the surrounding areas for any cracks or chips when it's been delivered, as you can't really send it back. So you have to make sure you check it within 48 hours of delivery. So here it is, all unwrapped and revealed. It's beautiful. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love the little mini mirror pieces that are horizontally placed on each drawer. Also got this lamp and shelving unit that we're going to put into the hallway as well. It's very streamlined and thin and will fit pretty much anywhere. Here it is. You can see the actual tiny space that we put it in. I think it really brightens up this corner. Opposite it, it's got a mirror that we put on earlier on. So it reflects off it. It makes the area look really nice and warm. Me and my wife also went to Dunelm and bought some showpieces to put on top of the TV console and some table decorations. I'm absolutely obsessed with the Dorma collection and the glass and crystal stuff that they have. So this is called a Dorma Casselli Lotus Flower Crystal Table Lamp. This one's a Dorma Lotus Tea Light. We bought a couple of these. And this is the Dorma Candlestick. It's made out of cut glass. It's quite heavy also. This is also a silver oval Dorma tray with a mirror base. We haven't really decided what we're going to put into it, but these look pretty nice. I also bought some extra bits and bobs. These are some LED candlesticks. They're made out of real wax and they're battery operated. And we bought these chrome tea lights and some candles and some lights to go into the fixtures and fittings. So later on that day, before I decided to move the mirrored drawer underneath the TV, I decided to paint one of the living room walls. Behind the TV there was a lot of screw marks and some areas where I'd hanged pictures in the past. There were lots of holes in the plasterboard, so I filled them up with some polyfiller and smoothed them out and decided to paint the wall just some pure brilliant white paint. I like the silk finish instead of the matte because it's a bit of a sheen and it reflects nice under lighting. So I got a nice cutting in brush and a paint roller and some masking tape for the edges as well. I like to use fog tape. This is the green one, extra wide, is brilliant as it doesn't rip off the wallpaper or paint that you put it on. At the end of the evening, when I finished painting the wall, I had just about enough time to arrange these flowers into a decent bouquet arrangement. So my wife bought some gold-leaved palms, some pink roses and some blush eucalyptus leaf flowers. And then I placed them into this grey willow-made vase.
Against the flow, a drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one.
Right then, you lot, you better not laugh at me. Obviously I made a right mess of these plug sockets and the light switches around the edges. I will be scrubbing the paint off the edges. I didn't use any frog tape around here, so I'm a bit of a shit about that. And I will go over it and fix it. But look, at least I fixed all the holes in the wall and put the clock up on the wall here too. I don't think I did a bad job. I'm quite good at DIY. Thank you very much. Khudafis. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.
Moves in ways that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you.